There is light reaching your eyes right now indirectly that started its journey 13.8 billion years ago, before a single star had ever formed. For the first 380,000 years after the Big Bang, the universe was too hot and dense for light to travel freely. It was an opaque soup of plasma-charged particles scattering photons constantly, the same way fog scatters a flashlight beam. Light existed, but it couldn't go anywhere. There was no seeing the early universe, because the universe itself was in the way. Then, at around 380,000 years, the universe had expanded and cooled enough for electrons and protons to combine into stable hydrogen atoms, a moment cosmologists call recombination. Almost instantly, the fog lifted. Photons that had been trapped, scattering endlessly, were suddenly free to travel in straight lines. That burst of light is called the cosmic microwave background, and it's still traveling, in every direction, right now. We found it almost by accident. In 1965, two Bell Labs engineers, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, were troubleshooting a radio antenna and kept picking up a faint, uniform hiss they couldn't eliminate even after cleaning pigeon droppings out of the equipment. It wasn't noise. It was the afterglow of the Big Bang itself, arriving from every direction in the sky at once. They won the Nobel Prize for the discovery. After 13.8 billion years of cosmic expansion, that original light has been stretched dramatically, redshifted from visible light all the way down into microwaves, far beyond what human eyes can see. Space missions like COBE, WMAP, and Planck have mapped it in extraordinary detail, revealing tiny temperature variations, fractions of a degree, that mark the seeds of every galaxy that would eventually form. The cosmic microwave background isn't just old light. It's a blueprint of everything that came after it. Here's the detail people love: if you tuned an old analog television between channels, a small percentage of that static, often cited as around 1%, was this exact radiation, arriving on your antenna after a 13.8 billion year journey. Most of that static was ordinary interference. But a genuine sliver of it was the oldest light in existence. It's everywhere, all the time, filling every direction we look, the universe's baby picture, quietly playing in the background of everything, forever. Subscribe for more hidden truths written into the sky. Light reaching your eyes right now. TV static around 1%, often cited as playing on every TV, forever.